Schizophrenia, myths, facts, and support. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel Wellbeing Tips and Tricks. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's often misunderstood but incredibly important: schizophrenia. We'll be separating myths from facts and discussing ways to support those living with this condition. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on valuable content. Understanding schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a complex mental disorder that affects approximately 1% of the global population. Unfortunately, it is surrounded by misconceptions and stigmas. Today, we're going to shed some light on this condition. What is schizophrenia? So, what exactly is schizophrenia? Schizophrenia is a chronic brain disorder that affects a person's thinking, feeling, and behavior. It can cause a range of symptoms, including hallucinations, delusions, disorganized thinking, and impaired social functioning. Common myths about schizophrenia. Now, let's debunk some common myths about schizophrenia. Myth 1: schizophrenia means having a split personality. This is not true. Schizophrenia and dissociative identity disorder are entirely different conditions. Myth 2: people with schizophrenia are violent. In reality, they are more likely to be victims of violence than perpetrators. Myth 3: schizophrenia is a rare condition. It's not. It affects millions of people worldwide. Common symptoms of schizophrenia. Now, let's discuss some common symptoms of schizophrenia. Symptom 1: hallucinations. These are sensory experiences that others don't perceive, such as hearing voices. Symptom 2: delusions. False beliefs that are resistant to reason or contrary to reality. Symptom 3: disorganized thinking. Individuals may struggle to organize their thoughts and may exhibit speech difficulties. Diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosing and treating schizophrenia is crucial for those affected. Diagnosis often involves a psychiatric evaluation, medical history, and various tests to rule out other conditions. Treatment. Treatment typically includes antipsychotic medications, therapy, and support from mental health professionals. Supporting individuals with schizophrenia is vital for their well-being. Support 1: educate yourself, learn about the condition to better understand and empathize with their experiences. Support 2: encourage them to seek treatment and stick with it. Support 3: be patient, understand that recovery is a journey, and it might take time. Ending stigma. One of the most critical aspects of supporting those with schizophrenia is ending the stigma surrounding the condition. Ending stigma involves dispelling myths, promoting awareness, and treating individuals with schizophrenia with respect and empathy. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding schizophrenia is crucial for reducing stigma and providing support to those affected. By debunking myths, spreading awareness, and offering a helping hand, we can make a positive impact. Thank you for joining us today to discuss this important topic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others to spread awareness. And as always, if you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, take care.